Relaxing your upper back, just letting that stress and tension just melt away, melt away. Relaxing your lower back into your stomach, relaxing your thighs, your lower back, just letting go of all that stress and tension, relaxing your legs all the way down to your feet, relaxing each and every little toe, and allowing yourself to just fully relax to your deepest levels of relaxation. Good. Now we all have a timeline. It's how we store time. Each little pearl is like a memory, an emotional point in our lives.